In the United States, the Citroën Ami 8 was never a common sight. While Americans of the 1970s were driving big V8 sedans and muscle cars, in Argentina and Europe, this quirky little French sedan was carving out its own legend. Launched in 1969 as the successor to the Ami 6, it blended Citroën's trademark innovation with an everyday practicality that won over countless families abroad. Its sloping roofline, round headlights, and minimalist grille made it instantly recognizable, a world apart from Detroit's chrome-heavy designs of the era. The Welly 1/42 scale model of the Ami 8 gives U.S. collectors a chance to hold that piece of foreign automotive history in their hands. Every detail, from the slender silhouette to the subtle bumper trim, recalls a time when French engineering and Argentine roads met. It's the kind of model that sparks conversation on a display shelf. What's that little car? Followed by a story about how global the auto world really was. For Americans, the Ami 8 is a reminder that not all classics are homegrown. Some are humble, efficient, and built for the open roads of faraway places. This small Welly model captures exactly that spirit, a miniature time capsule of a car you probably never saw on Main Street, but one that shaped everyday life elsewhere.